Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer's 18-inch RGB ring light. In this video I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the carry bag, the ring light, the light stand, the soft tube, the ball head, the smartphone adapter, the shutter remote, the power supply, and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, in the name, it is 18 inches wide, which means that you can achieve professional lighting everywhere you go. The main feature is the upgraded RGB function, allowing you to get really creative with color. It's great for everyone, especially for product, makeup, and portrait shooting. The ring light features a standard cold shoe mount, enabling you to install a DSLR without any hassle. And it also comes with a very handy Bluetooth remote for connecting to your smartphone for taking those perfect selfies, whilst of course you're using the smartphone adapter. Going further, the ring light features 288 energy-saving LEDs, it is 180-degree rotatable, and has 9 special lighting scenes. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install the ring light to the light stand. Simply slide the ring light into the top of your light stand and twist the bracket securing knob to tighten it into place. Next, let's install the ball head. Easily slide the bottom into the cold shoe mount and turn the above wheel in a clockwise motion until it's tight. Then simply twist the body in a clockwise motion until it comes to an end. Finally, unscrew and retighten the angle adjustment knob once it's in the correct position. Doing it this way ensures that the ball head is as secure as possible. Now you need to decide which device you're going to use. If you're going to be using a DSLR, then you can jump straight in. But if you want to use your smartphone, then you need to install the smartphone adapter. Installation is just as easy for both. Simply align the screw correctly and use the clockwise motion. Quick tip, on the smartphone adapter there are 2 different screw holes. This one is for portrait shooting, and this one is for landscape shooting. The last step is to give it some power. Using the power supply, plug the socket into your power source, and the other end into the power port located underneath the power button. Lastly, press the power button to turn it on. Quick tip, now is a good time to use the angle adjustment wheel to ensure that the best position is ready. Next, let's quickly dive into the different modes, starting with CCT. The left knob is used for increasing and decreasing the output brightness between 0 and 100%. The right knob is used for changing the color temperature between warm and cool. Due to this simple and efficient design, it's really easy to use. Next, HSI Mode. To access this mode, simply press the mode button located on the right side of the interface. The left knob is used to control the brightness output just like in CCT mode to make things easier. Whereas the right knob is used to change the hue and saturation levels. Taking a closer look, you will notice a small arrow on the display, and by simply pressing down on the right knob, it will switch between hue and saturation. Within a few minutes, you are able to choose the perfect color for your creative project. The third mode can be activated by pressing the mode button once more. This will take you to scene mode. Just like before, the left knob is used to control the brightness output. At the bottom of the display you will notice a symbol along with a letter. Pressing the right knob down will change the symbol and category, whilst turning the right knob will change between A, B and C to determine the special effect. As I mentioned before, there are 9 special effects to choose from. Now this wouldn't be a manual video without an example, so let's jump into a quick demonstration to show you all of the special effects. Now, let's talk about the Bluetooth remote for taking those perfect selfies. Once you have your smartphone installed on the ring light, turn the Bluetooth remote on. You will also see a flashing blue light to indicate power. Now head over to your smartphone and search for some Bluetooth devices. The Bluetooth remote will be called AB Shutter, so press that one. Once connected, you're ready to go. Quick tip, the Bluetooth remote consists of two buttons. A button specifically for iOS devices and another for Android devices. You really will have a lot of fun with this product, but before I go, here are some safety notes. Please do not dismantle or modify the circuit. Do not use chemicals or liquids to clean the light. Keep cables tidy to avoid tripping hazards, and ensure safety for those who have photosensitive epilepsy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's 18-inch RGB ring light.